what's up everybody? I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot, and it's bothering me because I see my subscribers drop for me not showing any content. But not gonna lie, I slacked off a lot on the TSX after I got the Accord. I had everything I needed except for my ECU, and I didn't put the car together. But today that's gonna change. We're gonna give the TSX a little bit of attention. I'm gonna put the can harness on. While I do that, Christian's gonna try to take apart the clutch master cylinder and the clutch line and put the new system that we have, because I haven't been getting much clutch at all. Like, there's nothing there. I can bleed it, and by like 24 hours the clutch is gone. So it's not building pressure. So we're gonna change that whole system that I have, and hopefully we'll get farther enough that tomorrow. I was supposed to get the ECU today. I was supposed to go pick it up today, but the guy said it wasn't ready, so I'm gonna have to either pick it up tomorrow, drive to pick it up tomorrow, or wait until Saturday and get one that's coming from New York. But either way, hopefully by this weekend the car should have the base map on, and hopefully it should be getting ready to tune soon. But I'm done slacking on the car. I'm gonna finish it, and I'm gonna prove everybody wrong that says that I'm not gonna finish it. It's almost there. The car is actually, I moved it a few days ago, and I put it on the left side where the lift is at, so I can actually finish it and actually give it more attention. And since I have that bay, since the car's in there in that bay and I can't move it out by myself, I can't do anything else inside the bay, so I have no other choice but to finish it. So let's get into this, and wish me good luck. Ahora garaje y prende gire.
Venga, un cafecito.
Lo como bebiendo leche.
Está frito aquí adentro.
Alright, so we got clutch line, master cylinder, and can harness.
Okay.
Christian's gonna do the clutch line and the master cylinder. ¿Verdad, Grilla? Alright, so we got a K2 clutch line. See if it focuses. Nope, it don't want to focus. And I guess it's the EM2 clutch master cylinder to replace the ugly factory one that's back there. And the slave cylinder is back here in the front here, but we're not taking that off now. So we're gonna replace that clutch line, and I'm gonna do the can harness inside for the Flash Pro. Well, this guy right here tries to find the tools that he needs. Yeah, my wastegate's off because I'm having a little exhaust leak from the manifold, from the fire ring, so I have to order a new fire ring. But yeah, the dumb tool's off, and now it looks ugly as fuck. But yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so here we got the instructions that came with the can harness for the Flash Pro. We're gonna go through this little by little, read everything, and check out what exactly we gotta take off and what do we gotta de-pin and re-pin. I know I gotta change the immobilizer cable, and I gotta run the can harness from the clamp plug over here all the way to the OBD2 scanner over there, whatever the fuck that shit's called. But I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible. And this right here, this is the cutout for the hood exit. But I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible while Christian's over there trying to figure out what the fuck he's doing. But yeah, let's try this out. Alright, so you guys can probably see it. This is the glove box, behind the glove box, and all the way up there in that corner. See if I can get this to focus on it. Right there. That's where we have to connect the can harness. And and it's a pain in the bitch to get to. I'm trying my best to do it. It's actually just a small plug. As you guys can see right here, this is just a small plug that I have to connect. Gotta connect a few wires to it, as shown here on the harness. It goes all the way in the top plug. So we're gonna do that now, and hopefully we can get it the first time. If not, I'm gonna start getting angry. But yeah, look at all the way up there. Alright, so reading this, it shows that we gotta connect the red wire and the white wire in the 2 middle plugs, and according to this, if you connect it once, it's pretty much impossible to take it back out, so we gotta do it right the first time. In the picture it looks like I have it the right way, but it shows that the red wire goes on the left side, second to left, second on the left hand side, and the white one goes on the second to the right hand side. So pretty much the 2 middle ones. And I'm scared not to do it right, but fuck it. So red goes in. Wait a second, this shit does not want to focus. Alright, so red goes in this side. And hopefully I got it right. Think about a little bit more to go. Nope, nope. And then white goes on this side. Oh, that one went in. No, this one went in. There we go. Oh, okay, no one going. There we go. Alright. So, let's see if you guys can see it. And same shit. Alright, so now we're gonna go and plug this into the top plug in the can harness, but it's hard to get to, so we're gonna try to do our best with this. So the green plug is 1 or 2 empty by the plug key. Alright. Okay. Alright, so the 2 wires that I had on the green plug, I had it wrong. So I had to deep in them again, and now I gotta run these 2 wires to connect it as inside the car where I showed you guys before. And it's a bitch to get to, but I kind of found a way to move around it. I moved some of the tapes and cut through like a clip that was holding a harness together to move it out the way. But yeah, these 2 wires are now going to go into the connector that's inside the car. Alright, so it's been like 30 minutes since the last time I showed you guys that I had to depin and repin these wires into the can harness up here. It was a pain in the dick to do. Sorry you guys have bad lighting, but you can see I have the red wire and the white wire connected next to the brown wire on the top plug. And now we gotta run the rest of the wiring that's here. The rest of the wiring that's here, we're gonna run it all the way over to, well, you guys can't see it there because Christian has it pretty much taken apart. We gotta run it all the way to the other side. And then from there, we're actually gonna run the wideband cables that are here. We're gonna run them all the way to the OBD scanner as well. Alright, now we got all the wire on this side through the middle, behind all these wires. Now we gotta run it to the driver's side and into the scanner. Alright, so we got the wideband cable on this side already. And we got the can harness cable here with the instructions, because you know we need the instructions. It's a pain in the dick to do. But I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see. Right there, it's the scanner. We gotta actually take that apart, unplug it from there, and we're gonna depin the immobilizer and move it to another spot and plug in these 2 wires, and that'll be it with the can harness. Then we're gonna splice in the wideband into the harness from the OBD2 as well. Alright, here you guys can see we took out the scanner from its housing right here. Now we're gonna remove the back cover and depin the immobilizer, and I'll show you guys where the immobilizer is actually gonna move to. And we're gonna pin in the red wire and the white wire from the can harness. Alright, so you guys can see it's not focusing very well, but you guys get a little preview. So we had to take the mobilizer out of slot 14 and move it to slot 1. Slot 1, you can't even see it. Oh, you can. It's the first one in the left-hand corner. We had to put red wire in slot 14 and white wire in slot 6. Yeah, even though you guys can't see it well, but it's kind of there. Now we're gonna put this all back together and connect the wideband wire, splice it into one of these wires as well. Alright guys, so Christian just left now, but listen, taking this clutch master cylinder out is a bitch on the TSX. I had to loosen up the brake master cylinder, as you guys can see, and the brake booster, and to pull this out, you can tell, look at the clutch line, it's gone. I bent the clutch line up so much that to pull it out that it's gone. Even though it doesn't matter because we have the K2 one right there. But listen, this is my hands, all red, scratched up everywhere. This one as well. Well, you guys can't see it there, but yeah, it's a bitch. Listen, I don't recommend doing this job to anybody. It saved me a little bit because I don't have most of my stuff that's supposed to be there. But I'm gonna try to put the new master cylinder on, and also, what was I gonna say? Oh, I'm gonna do the clutch line as well, and we're gonna run it out to the slave cylinder in the front. I didn't replace the slave cylinder, but I want to. But we're gonna keep trying to see if we can get the clutch to work. If it doesn't work with the master and the new clutch line, then we are gonna install the slave cylinder as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into putting this on. You guys I'm gonna show you guys a little bit so you guys see how hard it is to put it on. My camera died, I just got to school, but I guess I'm gonna have to finish this video here, and I won't be able to finish the car in this video. I'm probably gonna have to wait till tomorrow to finish it tomorrow, because I get out of school at 9 o'clock, and by the time I get out, I won't be able to get the fittings that I need, and I forgot to grab them before I left to come to school. But, that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm sorry for letting you guys down, but the car should be ready tomorrow. Everything should be on, the computer should be on. Hopefully base map tomorrow, but I'm probably gonna make a 2-part video tomorrow to put everything in and not make it an hour-long video. But thank you guys all for supporting. I'm sorry for not posting that much content the past week or so, but I'm coming back slowly but steadily. I'm coming back. But thank you for all the support. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep doing what you guys do, and stay blessed, guys.